What's up guys, Crazy Cowie again, and I wanted to make a video real quick showing off the exhaust that I got, which was actually the M4 GP series exhaust. I got it through motorsport.com, and I recommend this to anybody that wants really loud exhaust. It sounds really good, very aggressive sound. Way better than the stock exhaust, and looks better, and it actually saves a lot of weight. The stock exhaust that comes on the 2011 ZX6R is about 20 pounds worth of stuff if you include the servo motor that's underneath the seat that I removed. I removed that yesterday, and I've got our servo buddy eliminator underneath here that I installed today. I also installed this earlier today, but I highly recommend it. But a word of warning, if you don't want a very loud exhaust, don't go with this one. But if you do, it sounds good, and just stay tuned for the sound comparison that's coming up right after this. Later guys.
Mm-hmm.